Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I got my brand new motorcycle helmet. It's the HJC CL-17. It's brand new. I got this for 110 bucks. 110 bucks. It was a really good deal for a helmet. So this video I will show you I will show you unboxing the helmet. Okay, so let's start. Okay, I got a helmet. It looks good. It looks good. So far, I really like this helmet. One thing I have to tell you, this helmet actually is made in Vietnam now. It's not made in China. But before, years ago, before those trade war shit, it was made in China. But now everything changed. The factory, the HJC, actually is a South Korean brand, and they shipped the factory to Vietnam and made there. Oh, it's a 2019 model. 2019 model. Oh my dear, it's really good. It's good for the price, only $110. I think it's like 140 bucks in the North American market. Yeah, I hope this video helps you. If you want to get a affordable and good quality helmet, motorcycle helmet. Especially you don't want to break the bank, it's pretty good, pretty good. Both passed both the DOT and SNELL approved. Man, you cannot get anything like this price in the market, man. Really good.